vine, and on each branch or leaf, write down a motivational phrase or personal goal. Watch your aspirations bloom as you bring this dynamic and uplifting chalkboard design to life. Man #Artist Palette Bonus Challenge, Monthly Chalkboard Themes. Challenge yourself to change your chalkboard design monthly to reflect the evolving beauty of spring. From March blossoms to April showers and May flowers, let your chalkboard be a dynamic canvas that mirrors the shifting seasons. Rainbow Final Thoughts. Remember, there are no limits to your creativity. Feel free to mix and match these ideas or add your unique twists to create a chalkboard masterpiece that resonates with your personal style. And most importantly, have fun expressing yourself through the wonderful world of spring chalkboard art. Glowing Star Idea Number 11. Dreamy rainy day scene. Capture the beauty of a spring rain shower on your chalkboard. Illustrate a cozy windowpane with raindrops cascading down. Add a touch of magic by drawing an umbrella-toting character, perhaps a whimsical silhouette or even a friendly critter, braving the delightful drizzle. This charming scene will bring a sense of warmth and nostalgia to your space. Tulip Idea Number 12. Cherry Blossom Delight. Transport yourself to a serene cherry blossom grove with this delicate chalkboard idea. Sketch graceful branches laden with blossoms in shades of pink and white. The ephemeral beauty of cherry blossoms perfectly mirrors the fleeting nature of spring. It's a poetic and timeless addition to any chalkboard canvas. Flying Bird Idea Number 13. Feathered Friends Gathering. Bring the enchantment of springtime birdwatching indoors by featuring feathered friends on your chalkboard. Draw a variety of birds perched on branches or soaring through the sky. Add bursts of color with their plumage and create a harmonious avian symphony on your chalkboard canvas. Herb Idea Number 14. Botanical Sketchbook. Transform your chalkboard into a botanical sketchbook filled with intricately drawn flowers, leaves, and vines. Showcase the diversity of plant life in a beautiful, organized chaos. This artistic arrangement adds a touch of sophistication and is a fantastic way to celebrate the abundance of nature in spring. Rainbow Idea Number 15. Rainbow Umbrella Parade. Celebrate the vibrancy of spring showers with a lively parade of colorful umbrellas. Draw a procession of umbrellas in different sizes and hues, creating a playful and eye-catching display. Add raindrops and puddles for a touch of realism. This whimsical design is sure to bring a smile to your face, even on the gloomiest days. Artist Palette, your turn to shine. Now that you're armed with an array of spring chalkboard ideas, it's time to unleash your creativity. Experiment, combine elements, and make each chalkboard uniquely yours. Don't forget to share your masterpieces with the community. Tag us on social media so we can admire and share in the joy of your artistic journey. Blossom Idea Number 16. Upcycled Window Garden. Repurpose an old window frame into a charming garden scene on your chalkboard. Draw a variety of potted plants, herbs, and flowers on each windowpane. Use vibrant colors to make the scene pop, and add a rustic touch by outlining the window frame with a weathered look. This idea not only adds a touch of spring but also gives a nod to sustainability. Rabbit Face Idea Number 17. Springtime Critter Carousel. Bring a touch of whimsy to your chalkboard with a carousel of springtime critters. Draw adorable bunnies, butterflies, and ladybugs riding a merry-go-round. Use soft, pastel colors to make the carousel feel light and airy. This playful design is perfect for sparking joy and a sense of wonder. Strawberry Idea Number 18. Berry Bliss Bonanza. Indulge in the sweet vibes of spring by creating a chalkboard filled with luscious berries. Draw strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries bursting forth from baskets or tumbling down in a berry waterfall. Add a sprinkle of powdered sugar or a dollop of cream for an extra touch of deliciousness. Balloon Idea Number 19. Kite Festival Extravaganza. Let your chalkboard take flight with a Kite Festival Extravaganza. Draw a sky filled with colorful kites soaring high. Experiment with different shapes and sizes, and use bold, contrasting colors to make your kites stand out against the blue sky.